hip-hop musician Cassper Nyovest in hot super Sars sues him over R3.6 million unpaid tax. Award-winning hip-hop juggernaut Cassper Nyovest is probably rewriting the verse in his popular song Monate Mpolaye from Monate Mpolaye into Sars ompolayela. Sunday World can exclusively reveal that the SA Revenue Service Sars filed court papers against Cassper's company Family Tree Media for allegedly failing to settle a whopping R3.6 bill for unpaid income tax. The tax papers were filed in the South Gauteng High Court in Johannesburg on February the 28th. Sars has also threatened to obtain a warrant of execution for the sheriff of the court to attach and sell his company's assets in order to realize payment of the bill. According to documents seen, Cassper's company owed Sars R3,076,140,32 in income tax, but the debt ballooned to R3,695,170,97 after they added penalties and interests as well as another amount the company allegedly owed for pay-as-you-earn. The letter, written to the Jets a hitmakers company on June the 18th last year, reads in part, "According to records of the South African Revenue Service, you have failed to settle in full your outstanding tax debt in the amount of R3,622,531,11. Sars requested the megastar, who flaunted his R500,000 Rolex watch and Bentley car on social media, and his company to make full payment within 10 days of receiving the final letter of demand. If you are unable to make full payment, you may within 10 business days from the date of this letter of demand apply for any of the following remedies. deferral of payment. to suspend the debt while you intend to submit or have submitted a formal dispute. to compromise a portion of the tax debt. waiver of the penalty if you have paid the capital portion of your tax debt. In addition to the above remedies, you may within 5 business days from the date of receipt of this letter of demand, apply to Sars for the following. A natural person may apply for a reduction of the amount to be paid to Sars based on the basic living expenses of the debtor and/or dependents. Non-natural persons may apply for a reduction of the amount to be paid to Sars based on serious financial hardship, reads the letter. The taxman also threatened the Chevaliers hitmaker and his company that if they did not pay up, they would seek to raise the money owed to them from third parties that owed money to the company. Sars also warned that failure by the company to pay might force them to apply for a warrant of execution in which they will then attach the company's assets. Sars spokesperson Sandal Mela declined to comment. As you may be aware, Sars is not in a position to divulge specific information and details on the affairs of taxpayers. Sars is bound by Chapter 6 of the Tax Administration Act, 2011, dealing with confidentiality of information, and more specifically Section 69 of the Act, which provides for the secrecy of taxpayer information. This includes investigations into taxpayers or traders, he said. Nyovest, who announced on social media that he has bought an R11 meters mansion, could not be reached for comment. Music affairs. His manager R3.6 Mpolaye said she only comments on the musician's entertainment and career-related issues.